So how can you screen share and show notes and all of the writing on the iPad in order to explain stuff or for teaching purposes? Let's show that. So you essentially have two main options. You can either use the screen mirroring or screen recording. When it comes to the screen mirroring, it should be part of your control center. When you swipe down from the top right corner, there is this like double rectangle icon which you can click on, and you can choose some available devices where you can just share your screen to. So for example, you might see your projector in here, or your Apple TV if you have that set up on a TV, or as I say, it depends on your setup, and you can essentially just connect your whole screen to be shown and like streamed to a different larger screen for like a bigger audience. And then everything that you do on your iPad will be shown on the screen, so you can write notes or present some keynote presentation, whatever it might be, but it will be shared to a larger screen. Or the other approach is to capture everything, like record what's going on the screen, and then have a video of that, which you can play essentially anywhere. So the screen recording can also be found in the control center. You should be able to find that icon. If not, tap on the plus and click on add a control and bring the screen recording there. But essentially you can capture what's going on like that. You can see, you can open your notes, write and scribble. As I said, like the presentations in PowerPoint or Keynote are ideal for this, as you can just present something, even scribble over it, right? So there are plenty of ways how you can utilize this. So I would really love if you let me know below in the comments which option you decided to go with. If you have any additional questions, leave them below. Perhaps me or someone else will have the answer for you. But thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up if it helped, and I'll catch you later.